All products on my channel are cruelty free.
And wait, is it not?
Just wait.
Oh.
Okay. And then I sing it. Don't worry. I'm just gonna lightly set them first. Sarah.
Hi friends!
It's your guy Eli Levi and welcome back to my channel. It is Pride Month. I thought to do a beautiful rainbow look on this beautiful model and YouTuber, Xavier. Say hi to the kids.
Hi guys, I'm Xavier. I have my own YouTube channel. It's just Xavier Logan, and you can follow me on Instagram at Xavier Logan, and that's just pretty much it.
All products that I use on my channel are cruelty-free. That being said, let's get into the song. Cruelty-free or it's not for me. If you want to see how I got this beautiful Pride-inspired look, then make sure to keep on watching. All right, so I'm gonna start off by priming his lids with a concealer. That way the eyeshadow has something to stick to, and it really pops those Pride colors. Since he has oily eyelids, I'm lightly setting them. That way his eyelids don't crease. That was a lot. For the colored rainbow look, we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35B palette. We're also going in with the Huda Booty. Oh.
Huda Booty.
Huda Booty. I'm so sorry, Huda. The next eyeshadow palette we're using is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, because it has this really good, rich red color. Going in with a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna start in with the yellow. Pack that in right on the inner part of his eye. And I'm just building that color. That way you get the most pigment out of the shadow. I'm also blending that right in his crease, that way the eyeshadow is blended. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye, but in green. So continuing on that rainbow, we're gonna go right in the middle portion of each eyelid. On this side, we're gonna do orange, and on this side, we're gonna do blue. Don't be afraid to blend those colors together. That way, it's all seamless. So it's okay if you're a little messy with the shadow. For the final and last colors on the outside of his eyes, I'm gonna do purple right here and red right here to complete the Pride rainbow. Okay. That was a lot of pigment. Let me go on the other side, hold on. So Xavier, you said you have a channel too, right?
I do.
So tell me about your channel.
On my channel, when I created my channel, I didn't want to have like a certain niche because I don't know, I really like doing a lot of things and I wanted to incorporate that in my channel. So I have like a variety of videos. I don't even know how to describe it. There's like dance videos, there's like vlogs at competition, there's like content videos like me and Sarah did today. There's like how-to videos on like how to make like different types of foods. And it like, I don't know, I want to say it helps with getting your channel out there because it's not just you trying to compete with just one group of people. It's like multiple, so like different people see from like different styles of what they want to watch on YouTube. Now I'm at like 11,000 just because I haven't really like made any videos, and like different videos are still kind of getting out there. But I'm trying to get back to it.
That's awesome. I try to get creative on my channel by doing different videos, but obviously they're all within the makeup realm. So challenges and stuff and fails, and it's very much so one thing, but I can see how you grow faster because you're doing different things and not just one.
And I think like having a little brother helps because he always wants to do the most interesting things that I've never heard of before in my life.
Oh, and you're like, oh, let's do it.
I'm like, okay, like let's try it.
All right, so now we have the top done really beautifully. We're just gonna do the exact same colors right on the lower lash line to complete this look. Get your butt in this video. So this is Sarah.
Hey.
I came to surprise Sarah, and I have a video. I'll show you a few videos. Okay, so I'm currently in Atlanta. My best friend from camp, her name's Sarah. I haven't seen her in over a year and a half. She just had a birthday, and she's having a birthday party today. So I flew up. I'm going with her dad right now to her SAT place where she just took her, obviously, SAT. And she's gonna come out, and I'm gonna surprise her. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm very happy that I'm here. It's been a year and a half.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
And that's how I met Xavier right here.
I have 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, we got it. We got it, Sarah. Gonna multitask.
To finish off this look, since you want to make sure it lasts all Pride long, we're gonna set it in place using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. So this is the finished look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Make sure to be following Xavier as well. He has his own channel, as he talked about on this video today. We're gonna have it in the link down below to make sure that you can go check it out. Thank you so much, Xavier, for being on my channel and being a beautiful model.
Thank you.
And I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.